Welcome po sa another episode of Pinaynay Favorites. Today ay magluluto tayo ng pinasarap na 7-Up Pork Adobo. Ito po ang ating mga sangkap. Suka, soy sauce, dried bay leaves, peppercorn, sibuyas, bawang, yung pork natin into cubes, mantika, tubig, at 1 can of 7-Up or similar soda. The first thing we're gonna do is ihahalo natin yung ating toyo, yung ating 7-Up, and at yung pork natin. Then we're gonna cover it with cling wrap and we'll marinate it for at least 3 hours or overnight. Mas matagal, mas malambot yung karne. But then, if you don't have much time, you can also cut your pork into small cubes so para mas lessen yung time ng pag-marinate. So, we're gonna preheat our pan. So, pag ready na siya, ilagay natin yung ating bawang hanggang mag-golden brown na siya. Haluin lang natin. Ang sarap ng amoy. Tapos, i-add natin yung ating sibuyas. At halo-haloin lang natin. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung ating karning baboy. I-drain lang po natin yung marinade at huwag itapon kasi ilalagay natin yung later. Pag nag-brown na yung ating karne, lalagay na natin yung marinade sauce na na-drain natin kanina. Tapos, lalagay natin yung ating paminta or peppercorn at saka yung dried bay leaves. Haluin lang natin siya para ma-mix. Tapos, we let it simmer. Pakuluin natin for like 30 minutes. So, after 30 minutes, ayan po, nakikita nyo naman yung marinade sauce natin is nabawasan na siya. Tapos, yung mantika doon sa pork ay umaalsa na. So, kung gusto nyo po na wala masyadong sabaw, you let it simmer again for another 15 minutes. At this point po is malambot na po yung ating karne. So, i-add na natin yung ating 4 tablespoon of vinegar or suka. We let it simmer for like 5 to 10 minutes. Halo-haloin lang po natin siya para ma-mix talaga siya. Ayan, tingnan nyo, ang sarap ng adobo. Pinasarap na 7-Up Pork Adobo. Ngayon ay titikman na natin ang ating pinasarap na pork adobo with rice kasi 'di ba? Rice is life. Napakasarap talaga and my whole family really enjoy it. Kahit we are Phil-Am family, yung mga anak ko and my husband really enjoyed this dish. So I hope po subukan niyo po ang recipe na to and leave a comment below. At kung bago lang po kayo sa aking channel, I hope you consider subscribing and hit the notification bells para you don't miss any of my future recipes and our family adventure. Maraming salamat po at sa uulitin. God bless.